What's up, YouTube? This is Bama Girl Amy, and I'm coming at you guys today with a DIY. What we're going to do today, we are actually going to learn how to make these little cute baby dolls. I've been watching a lot of videos on these, and I've been wanting to learn how to do them forever. I just thought I couldn't do them, but I've actually figured out how to do them. And this is a requested video from Tammy from My World in OKC. Guys, please keep into consideration I'm still new at this and I'm still learning, but these are super cute and they're actually fun to make. The way I do mine is I like them to be able to, bend and stuff. You can actually bend these babies. To make them bendable, you're going to use the pipe cleaner. Now, I use the brown because it is, closest to skin tone that I have been able to find. I also like to use these type of flosses because it's just easier to work with and you get a lot less knots when you're doing these. You also need a Sharpie if you're going to put the little eyeballs on there. You can do them with eyeballs or you can do them without. Totally your choice. I also use these. They are wooden and it just, it's a wooden circle. You can get these at Hobby Lobby. I think you can get them at Michael's. I'm not sure. But you can pretty much get them pretty much anywhere that sells arts and crafts. Just make sure that the hole goes all the way through. And you guys will better understand that here in just a minute. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and a glue gun. You're not going to need, you're not going to need a glue gun, for a lot. Just one little squirt. But I went ahead and prepared mine and everything. And it's okay that it's on this because it's just a towel. If there's kids watching, please make sure that you have adult supervision. Don't just grab a glue gun because they do get very, very hot and it can burn you. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and jump on into the video. What you're going to do first is you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're just going to cut off any length that you want to. But keep in mind that you have to actually fold this in half and it's going to be her legs. And this part that we're cutting off right here is actually going to be her arms. So I like to cut like 3/4 down. That way I have enough arm and I have more than enough body. So it's just that much that I cut off. And then this, what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to bend it in half. And then you're going to take your little head and you're going to stick it halfway down and open up the pipe cleaner. And then you're just going to lay it off to the side. And this part right here is her body. This, of course, is her head. And I'm going to show you guys. And sorry if you guys can't see much of what I'm doing. I am having to look through my screen to see what I'm doing. And then it's just not that easy. And then I'm having to look under the phone to be able to see. My tripod broke on me, so I rigged something up to be able to do this video for you guys. So there, I separated it. You're going to go to the top of it, and you're just going to cut it one way. And then you're going to go down to the bottom and cut again. Hang on just 1 second. Let me grab the head. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to put these in. I don't know if you guys can see. Put these in. Make sure that it's the same length. And you're probably still going to have to cut the hair a little bit because when you pull it through, it don't always go perfect. And then you're just going to pull it through. I'll let you guys see. You guys can see right here that it's still up there. You do not want that to show. So you're going to pull it until that part is in the head. So there we go. And actually my hair turned out pretty perfect for once. It's all the same length. That is a miracle, guys. And then you're going to take this, and this, what I told you guys, is going to be the arms. You want one arm, of course, to be to where it looks longer, how this one looks longer. You're going to take this one and you're going to wrap it around the head. Hang on just a second. You're going to wrap it around the head, and then you're going to pull tight. and then that forms her little arms. Now, the videos that I watched, I don't really know why you do this, because either way it's pretty sharp to me. You're going to take a little part of the end of it, and you're just going to bend it over to where that part right there is not so sharp. And you're going to do it to the other one. You want to make sure the arms look about the same length to you guys. And it looks the same length to me. Hopefully it does to you guys. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing with the feet area until it looks like that. Alright, and then what you're going to do is you're going to start on the body. Now me, I like to separate it. Hang on just one second, guys. I like to separate it to where I can see what I'm doing here. And then what I do is I take the end of one of them and I just pull it so I don't get knots. Like I just did. Sometimes it don't pull perfect, but hey. And then I go back to the beginning. Now, some people put hot glue, you know, like right here, and then, but me, I just hold it right there. And what you're going to do is right below her head, you're just going to go all the way down her arm. Now me, I stop about right here because the thread does come off the arm. Keep that in mind. It will fall off if you go too far down her arm. So I like to leave about that much. And then you just wrap this into the thickness that you guys like. So I'm just going to, oops. Sorry guys, this is hard to do looking through the camera. Not being able to really see what you're doing. Okay, so when you get done with her arm, you are going to go this way and up. And this is what makes her little shirt. Grab some more string. Okay, so there's almost that part of her shirt done. You just wrap it until, you know, it's where you like it. And then you go over here. And then you're going to go around her head and back down and start wrapping this arm. Trying to do this a little bit fast so, you know, I don't bore you guys with the whole long video. But it does take a little bit of time to get all that pipe cleaner hidden. And then you're going to go this way, the opposite direction from this way. I'm just going to go this way, and it forms the crisscross shape of a shirt. So see? Hang on just a second. Let me fix the string again. Alright guys, sorry about that. I paused the video real quick where I could go ahead and de-ravel this string because it decided that it wanted to try to knot on me. So now I'm going to show you guys how you're going to do her waist. What you do is you just do like you've been doing, and you're going to wrap down and up because you want to make sure that this little gap here, there's nothing showing. So now we have it fixed. So we're just going to go down. And right now it's not very, very important to make sure, you know, everything's perfect, because at the end you do go back over her waist. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do her legs. Now I do separate her legs like this because it is a lot easier to get through the pipe cleaner. So you're just going to go this way and just go down. And when you're going down, or when it's not so important to get, you know, everything covered because it's hard. But on the way back up, you're going to make sure you catch it all. Again, towards the end, make sure you leave space so your string does not fall off, and go back up, but this time slower, to make sure you get all the fuzz or hair, whatever you want to call it, from the pipe cleaner covered. And, you know, to make sure that it looks like a little leg. I apologize for the length of this video. I know it's probably going to be like one of my longest videos I've ever made. But it does, of course, take some time. It's not just a quick project. It's kind of quick, but, you know, when you're first getting started, it's not so quick. So you just keep wrapping. Sorry, guys. It's hard to watch what I'm doing under the camera and into the camera to make sure you guys can see too, so I apologize if you can't always see. And then once you get to the top, you just go pretty much across and start again. So let me get this leg wrapped, guys, and I will be right back to show you guys how to finish her waist, because I don't want this to be terribly too long for you guys. Alright, guys, I am back. I've got both of her legs done. So now what we're going to do, we're going to push her legs back together again. We're going to take the string, and this is how you form her little dress. What I do is I go to, you know, about halfway down her leg, and I just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until I form the little dress. See how she's forming? And then, as I said earlier, you go back and you thicken up her waist. So you just go pretty much just up and down. And it's up to you guys if, you know, if y'all liked her skinny, you could leave her like this and just glue, you know, cut the string. But me, I use the whole floss. See how she's formed her waist and her, you know, it kind of looks like a dress now. And I just keep wrapping until I run out of string. Oops. Don't want her down that far. And almost out of string. Got like a couple of inches left here. Maybe a foot. Sorry guys, this is hard to do when you're having to, you know, look into the camera to make sure you guys can actually see and actually watch. But I'm almost out of string. Yep. Here's the end. We're almost at the end. And then there's the end, guys. And then so this would be her front. Then you're going to turn her around to where the string ends. You're going to take your hot glue gun and just put a little dab. I don't know if I can do this where y'all can see it and I can see it. Just a little dab right there and make sure it sticks. And there she is, guys. She's finished. Like I said, these are super cute to make, and they're actually fun. And I like the bendies where you can bend them. As I said earlier, you guys can take a Sharpie, you know, and put the dots here for her eyes, like this one. Or you can just leave her be. She's cute, super cute either way. But guys, that is how you do the DIY bendy dolls. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope each and every one of you have a beautiful day. Love each and every one of you guys. And this is Bama Girl Amy, and I'm out.